Is divorce mediation right for me? Yes, depending. If there's no violence, no disparity in balance of power, if there's no history of domestic violence, if there's no intimidation, if there's a level playing field, then I do recommend divorce mediation. I always ask my petitioning client, right, the plaintiff, the person that came into my office to file for a divorce. And I actually even ask the people that have been served with papers, the relationship that you have, obviously, I don't think I even used the word obviously. The relationship that you have is presently fractured because either you want to file a divorce case or you have received a divorce case. But is there a way through to the other side? Can you speak to a member of the clergy, a family member, an esteemed matriarch or patriarch of the family? Can you speak to a member of your community, your church, synagogue, mosque, an elder? Is there someone, either within the family that has that strong leadership role that can mediate, or is there someone in your community that can mediate, or a clergy? And can you discuss the issues and the problems you have? If that's available, if that's a resource that's true to your own factual circumstances, then I recommend it. Marriage counseling, I recommend. So both the unpaid and paid option. So a marriage counselor costs money. Perhaps it's covered in your insurance, health insurance plan. So you should seek the services of that type of impartial person that can mediate conflict and find some kind of resolution. Then if that's not available, utilize the services of a divorce mediator, a person trained in hearing the merits of a person's position, their concerns, their thoughts, beliefs, right? Their position, and then hear the other person's position and perhaps find a mediated solution. You can save money, time. There's a way to structure your meetings, perhaps a series of 3 or 6 meetings, or 9 or 12, depending on your assets and your family dynamic. 3 kids as opposed to no kids, right? Pensions and retirement accounts, a lot of assets as compared to a few assets, right? So those are some of the things you should work through, and I do recommend divorce mediation, and it can be right for you. Take this as your circumstances permit. So if you have a certain power disparity and you can't get a word in edgewise, then you need an advocate to put your position forth. Advocate. All right. Wish you a lot of luck. Try these other resources first.